Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kumajule amana kasnem mentaga kentiru ka Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Meghalaya kala penlong ya kejing ya kenduk lang ya kabala penlong ha Manipur Raspberry Lime Crush Shillong. Kani kalalong haka kendai tarik unai weng arajar khat kendai haka bala wani shimenta lang dagi nong mikmat na gejela beper jong kathain sitei lamingi baru dagi nong Manipur ki basa hari Bangladesh. Hagani kasngi lai don rengkat lang ulat gejela u Tathagata Roy kum u Kongsan u Kshetri Bir bat u Raja Mani nong thongba kum ki sembot Kongsan. Haba keren hagani kasngi kum u Kongsan ulat gejela Meghalaya u Tathagata Roy ulaong ba kalong ke badon kam yangi bandon ki jingi teli. Bat baka ktien kalong ke bakongsan ban pun urlong yagani. Shushu ulaong bakari bamarjan jongi ke badon tang kawai kanyam pause gidon tang ke jingya pat yapra. Nrei hari jongi nyalong kawai kumjo klem ke jingya per la kalong hagano gano geduru. Ulat ulaong ba hajala Manipur kidon hadu san pusan nak shispa ki meitei, lai pusan nak shispa ki naga, rengkat ke jingya don langru ki wei pat ki reulom kum ki cookies.
The one way to celebrate linguistic diversity of the country. India doesn't write in one language. India doesn't write in one language. India doesn't speak in one language. India speaks in many languages, and India writes in many languages. And that is the strength of this country. And the linguistic diversity of this country is amazing. What basically inspired me to work on Manipur is that the kind of multiculturalism that exists with multilingualism. Friends, let me tell you, Manipur is the state which is not only multilingual, which is not only multicultural, but it is deep multilingual and deep multicultural state of the country. And still it is celebrating. However, there is a huge responsibility on all of you to unite this country through literature, through the folk literature, because this language has a huge history starting from 133 AD to till today.
Composition of the Manipuri people, the people who inhabit Manipur. I understand that there are about 55% Meiteis and about 35% Nagas, and among the others there are Kukis, Hamars, several other tribes. There are even sub-tribes of the Meitei people, of whom Kom is one, to which the famous athlete, boxer Mary Kom belongs. Manipur is one state which excels in sports and related activities. We have seen so many players from this tiny state participate in all India competitions. Mary Kom is only one of them. And we had, even when we were in Bengal and I had no connection in Manipur, although my father in his childhood had spent some time in Manipur and could even speak some Meitei language, but I had no connection. But we used to hear and we used to read stories about the skills of horsemanship of Manipur, that little children can ride horses, and they can ride horses with skill. And I asked Sri Munish Singh, and he said that the famous polo ground of Shillong was maintained by the Maharaja of Manipur, who had a stable of horses over here. I have seen that polo ground in its original shape, because some of you might know, some might not know, that I spent part of my childhood in this town of Shillong, contributing to the development and promotion of the Manipuri or Meitei language and literature for the last 15 years here in Shillong. I'm sure the writers in their writings have expressed many emotions while also acting as a bridge in uniting the various cultures and subcultures of which we are part. Even though I understand that many of the members are not originally from this state, I take note of the fact that they have given their best, the greatest effort to nurture their mother tongue and promote in Meghalaya and other neighboring states Manipuri culture. Manipuri culture is a great culture, and it is one of the greatest expressions of the culture is in dance.